Dear student, welcome to our online class. I am Rafiqul Islam, Assistant Teacher English, SM Model Government High School. Today I will teach you a very important topic. The topic is parts of speech. So, what is parts of speech? Every speech is divided into several parts, or every speech consists of some words that is called parts of speech. There are 8 kinds of parts of speech, that is noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction and interjection. So first is noun. What is noun? Noun means the name of something. A noun means a person, a thing, a place or an idea. Kinds of noun. Common noun. A noun that does not name a specific person, place or thing, that is called common noun. Example, dog and cow. Proper noun. A noun that names a specific person, place or thing, that is called proper noun. Proper noun, the example of proper noun is Jania, Mina. Collective noun. A noun that names a group of person, place or thing. In a collective noun, you can notice that there is a group of person, place or thing. If you see the example, here is class and community, that is the group of a class or person. Pronoun. A pronoun is a word that is used in place of one or more nouns. Pronoun. So what is pronoun? Pronoun is used instead of noun. Kinds of pronoun. Personal pronoun. For example, me, mine, you, she. Indefinite pronoun. Anybody, anyone, is. Interrogative pronoun. Who, whom, what, who is, whose. Demonstrative pronoun. This, that, these, those. Adjective. Adjective is a word that modifies or describes a noun or pronoun. Adjective answers some questions, that is, who is, what kind, how many. And giving example, did you lose your office keys? Here office is adjective. Another example, is that a silk shirt? Here silk is adjective. I have 5 times left. How many? There are 5 times. 5 times is adjective. Now verb. Verb is most important because every sentence must have a verb. A verb expresses action and helps to make a sentence. Action verbs express the mental and physical actions. For example, she spoke at the annual meeting. Linking verbs make a statement by connecting the subject with a word that describes and explains it. For example, he has been busy. Adverb. An adverb modifies or describes a verb, adjective or another adverb. It answers some questions like how, when, where, what degree and how much. If you notice the example, you will see he talked quickly. How? This is quickly. He left yesterday. When? Yesterday. He went there. Where? That is there. preposition. A preposition introduces a noun, pronoun, or phrase or a clause functioning as a noun. Preposition is used before a word to mean something specifically. For example, they received an email from Jenny telling about her trip to Cox's Bazar. Here from is used as a preposition. Conjunction. Conjunction is a word that joins words or group of words. For example, and, or, but, so, either or, neither not. If you see the example, you will see Rohim and Korim are brother. Here and is the conjunction and joins between Korim and Rohim and makes a sentence. Interjection. Interjection is an explanation that expresses emotion. So what is interjection? Interjection is an exclamation that will express something emotion. For example, wow, you did a fantastic job. Here wow is a sign of exclamation. Here wow expresses your emotion, so that is called interjection. So no more today. If you have a question, keep it below. I will answer your question and solve your problem. No more today. With best luck. Thanks to all. Bye bye.